I was on these for many, many years, and now it's time to get rid of them. So I'm gonna finally, ceremoniously, open that, because I'm done taking these pills. Finally tapered off of them, and never gonna see another medicine bottle again. And they're gonna go down the sink, all of them. That's it for me. And I'm gonna run this dishwasher. They're gone. Touched up and gone. It's time. Feels good. Feels good to be free of them. Even though I feel horrible, you know? I feel pretty awful being on them, and they're gone. Gone.